Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. As guys, I don't understand why Nigerian authorities are in denial. They don't want to admit that their people are committing crime in South Africa. Not only in South Africa, even in other countries. We have other foreign nationals here in South Africa who are complaining about the same thing, Nigerians. They are blaming Nigerians even now that they are being chased away from South Africa. They are saying Nigerians are the cause of all this. Let's listen to them, guys.
Tizobalekela nasithi bantu kuphela thina yonke mbuyona lapha eMalawi
Malawi
only anaJeli ndakuzela inkinga lapha eMalawi akayenzi lutho tiyathanda ukusebenza tiyathanda ukudesa izindlu angeke kuyeze lutho kodwa inkinga dibuyisa lana iNigeria yadesa ama-drugs la South Africa ngati wakatshela ukuthi iNigeria hambani.
This Malawian lady is complaining to these guys from Inhlanzeko Media that we are being chased away from South Africa because of Nigerians. Nigerians are selling powder in South Africa. But if we are saying so, people are blaming us, are calling us xenophobia.
Kodwa inkinga dibuyisa lana iNigeria yadesa ama-drugs la South Africa.
Nithi ipoint yenu ithi sina abantu bangaphandle simosha elizwe lini la eSouth Africa, but hayi ukuthi sonke thina siphuma ngaphandle simosha lelizwe. Sikhona abanye mhlambe sifika la ukuthi sizozama umsebenzi, sikhona abanye ukuthi sizame nje impilo njengathi amajida njengani yabo manje ama Nigeria bona abantu bamosha kakhulu nabanye abantu yabo ngoba ama Nigerian akazi sibone iNigeria yilodwa icachile kumdlondolo acacha indawo zibizayo futhi bona banama business labo bangenisa la bayawenzela imali thina sezikuthi sikubeka sonke sifuke ebuseni siyozama mhlambe siyohlova unkonkolo sibuye zama impilo sisendele imali ekhaya engane.
This Mozambican guy is complaining about the same thing, Nigerians. That Nigerians are not working anywhere in South Africa, but they are living in expensive areas, in expensive properties. That is what everyone is complaining about, because we don't see Nigerians in the morning going to work. They are not employed anywhere in this country, except the few, maybe doctor, you'll find a doctor here and there. We are not even complaining about them taking our jobs. Nigerians are the only African nation who is not employed in South Africa, and they are not even interested in being employed. I was even surprised to see their leaders in their parliament say South Africans are saying Nigerians are taking their jobs. We South Africans are complaining about Nigerians taking their jobs because the whole world know that Nigerians are not employed. They don't want to be employed. So who will complain about Nigerians taking the jobs? This Mozambican guy also said, we Mozambican, we work hard in South Africa. We wake up in the morning to go and work hard for our families.
I personally share the grievances of South Africans. The citizens are right in many things. They are right in the sense that I am a Ghanaian. I will not allow a foreigner to enter here, take our women and turn them into sex tools. That will not happen. I will not allow foreigners to enter here and sell drugs to our young boys to destroy their lives. That I will not condone. I will not allow a foreigner to come into our country, breach electricity and water in a very bad way without paying money and do it their own way just to have their own way, and hijack buildings that do not belong to them and live in them, and will not even allow police to enter. I will not relate that in Ghana. So therefore, these are some of the things they are crying about, and I share the same grievance with them.
So I don't need to translate this one. You heard everything. This is a Ghanaian pastor who was living in South Africa. He moved last week with the other group back to Ghana. And I respect this man because nowadays it's very hard to find a pastor, a man of God who is telling the truth. Many of them are flip-flopping. They're just living like a normal human being of this world. So for that, I salute him. And many Ghanaians understand what we are complaining about because they are going through the same thing.
Nigerians are not in gold mining companies. They are not in pharma care. They are not even in construction or engineering companies, but they are the ones who drive big cars. They are the ones with big money. They are the ones who own mansions in South Africa. It's clear that the Nigerians are the ones who are selling drugs. So instead of South Africans chasing all the foreigners, Malawians, Zimbabweans, Mozambicans away, the government of South Africa, it was supposed to ban Nigerians for once and for all, because Nigerians are the problem.
This last guy is also a Mozambican.
When you follow up on that case, exactly what is happening in South Africa, at one time you would agree with the South Africans, because you cannot allow people to come to your country and they dictate to you everything. For example, there's a part there called South Beach in Durban where Nigerians are so many. When a South African go there, an ordinary South African, they'll ask him, what are you doing here? And those are the provocations that even if it happens in Kenya here, it will bring the same reprisal effect.
And this one is from Kenya. The same thing. All Africans are complaining about what these people are doing to South Africans. These are different African nationals. All of them are complaining about one nation, Nigeria. There are many of them complaining. If you go to TikTok, you will see. Just go and check Africans complaining about Nigerians. You will see. All of them are complaining about one nation, Nigeria. They are even blaming them for what is happening in South Africa right now. They are blaming them even the things that happened 2008, 2016. They are still blaming Nigerians until today, that Nigerians are the cause of our sufferings in South Africa. But if it's us, South Africans, we are being called names, we are being called xenophobic and all this. Not only South Africans are complaining about Nigerians. People must not ignore other nations complaining about Nigerians, as if South Africans, they just dislike Nigerians. Guys, you heard everything. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.